Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add channels to the YouTube Kids app. So make sure you create or you install your YouTube Kids app and create your account on it. So for example, you can find YouTube Kids on the Play Store or App Store. You can try to install and log in with the parent account. That means is your primary YouTube account. After you set up your YouTube Kids, now you can open your YouTube app. In order to add the channel to your YouTube Kids app, for example, let's try to search this channel like Animal, for example. Now you can tap three dots at the bottom of the thumbnail and tap share. This is the share option. You can scroll down and there is a with kids. You can tap with kids and share with your YouTube Kids profile. In this case, I already had a YouTube Kids profile named Bilal. Now you can just tap share button. Or if you want to remove it, just tap unshare. Share and unshare. So if you don't have that option, make sure you update your YouTube app first. You can go back to the Play Store or App Store. You can search for YouTube app and tap the YouTube app and try to update your YouTube apps on your device. So it's up to 10 megabyte. So the latest version of this YouTube app, last update is 28 November 2024. So fixes some minor bugs and new features. After installing, you can open your YouTube app and try to share the YouTube channel into your YouTube Kids app. So feel free to try to share, to add channels from your primary YouTube into your YouTube Kids app. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.